about at NAVWAR. Maybe give everyone, 30 seconds on what is NAVWAR. I mean, I think some folks have an appreciation of that. And then tell us what's cooking in the CTO's office there.
Yeah, sure, Luke. Good morning, everyone. So I'm Carly Jackson. I'm the CTO at the Naval Information Warfare Systems Command, call sign NAVWAR, if you will. So we are formerly Space and Naval Warfare Systems Command, so SPAWAR for those that have that legacy understanding and have worked with us in the past. The mission has been unchanged. The name change came about a few years ago, and it's really sort of energized the workforce just to be even better and faster than we were before. Our priorities right now are to be mission focused, to remain mission focused. It is well known at this point out in the public press and in some fairly recent publications about how concerning the pacing threat is. And so that is one of the chief focuses that we have been rolling out, which is, as government scientists and engineers, as a leader for thousands of government scientists and engineers, one of our missions is to be the bridge between the technical community and the operational community. And so we do that by partnering wildly with our industry and academic partners and other agencies. But the government scientists and engineers have a really unique role in understanding the finite details of that pacing threat, and then figuring out how to apply all of the goodness, all of the technology that is coming out of the significant industrial base, all of the R&D that's going on, billions of dollars across commercial, defense industry, and again, our academic partners, and really figuring out, finding the diamonds in the rough and figuring out how to apply those technologies in a very complicated maritime domain with a technologically savvy adversary that is investing significantly in technologies that pose a threat to our infrastructure and our forces abroad. So at NAVWAR, we focus on the communications, the command and control, the ISR, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance type technologies in the maritime domain. So that is for our Navy sailors and our Marine Corps forces around the world. At NAVWAR, we also support significantly many folks from the intelligence agency as well in providing solutions that pass data across the services for more informed decision making. So we're pretty proud about that. As well as the fact that we're leading, we feel like we're leading across the DoD in embracing modern software best practices, modern infrastructure practices that are really bringing a whole new level of speed to how quickly we can field technologies. We are not trying to reinvent the wheel. We are embracing what industry has already been doing, but doing it in a way that's operationally relevant for our systems and our forces that must operate in this highly distributed, disconnected environment, and then applying the tweaks to those systems to really make them effective.